The first thing that you need to know about Gustar and other verbs like it is that they are not conjugated like other verbs. They use something called indirect object pronouns. Indirect object pronouns take the place of subject pronouns when dealing with verbs like gustar. Remember that your subject pronouns are yo, tú, usted, nosotros, vosotros, and ustedes. When conjugating gustar, you're going to use indirect object pronouns, which are me, te, le, nos, os, and les. These 6 are indirect object pronouns, and they are used when conjugating gustar and other verbs like it. Remember that yo, tú, usted, nosotros, vosotros, and ustedes are subject pronouns. They will not be used when conjugating gustar. Remember that the way you conjugate gustar has nothing to do with an indirect object pronoun before it. Students often make the mistake of seeing nos, and just because it ends with the s, they automatically associate it with gustan. Now, this is not always the case. Nos, it can use gusta or gustan, either one. It doesn't necessarily have to go with gustan just because it has an s. Nos is just an indirect object pronoun. It has no saying whatsoever in how gustar is conjugated. You could say, we like the book. And you're talking about one subject, not two. So this is singular. So therefore you would use gusta. But it would still be nos in the beginning because this is the indirect object pronoun you use for we. But it would be gustan, gusta, nos gusta el libro. One subject, so you use gusta. Don't make the mistake of conjugating gustar based off the indirect object pronoun, because it's not correct.
When your sentence is, like the object is singular, you're going to use gusta, and when it's plural, you're going to use gustan. Because there's more than one store here, we're going to use tiendas and then gustan. Then our next example is, my sister likes that store. Mi hermana gusta la tienda. And then because there's only one store here, we're going to use tienda and gusta.
So now we're doing this word parecer, which means to seem. But it's a little bit different when you say it in English compared to when you say it in Spanish, so I'll walk you through this example. So this sentence is, me parece el sombrero es caro, which means it seems to me that the hat is expensive. So it's parece, which is to seem, then to me because it has the reflexive word. Okay, so yeah. So now the next example is, me parecen, where'd it go? Los zapatos son caro. And that means, it seems to me, again, that the shoes are expensive. Same thing, but different, ending for the plural.